Hi, I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the most talked about credit cards in India right now, the Federal Bank Scapia credit card. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a digital nomad, or someone who wants smart rewards without the hassle of hidden fees, this might just be the card for you. Stick with me as I break down what the card is, what makes it special, who it's for, its pros and cons, and let's get started. The Federal Bank Scapia credit card is a co-branded credit card that is brought to you by Federal Bank in partnership with Scapia, a rising fintech platform that focused on simplifying travel for young professionals and digital-first users. The card is offered in two variants, the Visa and RuPay, both packed with benefits that are especially attractive if you love to travel or spend regularly online. But here's the twist, the card is 100% lifetime free, meaning there's no joining fee, no renewal fee, and no hidden charges. And yet it offers benefits that many paid cards in the premium category struggle to match. The core idea behind the Scapia credit card is simple. It rewards you generously for travel and for everyday spending, while eliminating traditional pain points like forex markup, delayed onboarding, and complex redemption processes. So overall, it's not just a credit card. It's a travel and lifestyle companion that is built around your mobile-first lifestyle. So let us talk about the main features of the card. First, the rewards program. Travel bookings via the Scapia app earned you 20% Scapia coins, and that translates to an effective 4% reward rate. There's also a 10% reward on every eligible online and offline spend. The redemption process. The Scapia coins are instantly redeemable on the Scapia app. You can use them to pay for flights, hotels, buses, or even train tickets. And there's no blackout period or minimum redemption threshold. How about the travel and lounge benefits? There's zero forex markup. Yeah, 0% markup on all international transactions. And that helps you save the usual 3.5 to 4% that most cards charge. There's also unlimited domestic airport lounge access and airport retail rewards. There are also tech-enabled features like instant digital card issuance, where you use and get your virtual card within minutes of approval. There are in-app controls that helps you set control limits, and there are EMI options that turn large travel expenses into zero-cost EMIs. Now let us go into more detail talking about the pricing. Here's what you pay, and more importantly, what you don't pay. As I earlier mentioned, the joining fee is 0 rupees. The annual or renewal fee is also 0 rupees, which means it's lifetime free. The forex markup is 0% on all international transactions. Although there is no fuel surcharge waiver for this card like some other cards, and some convenience fees may also apply, and also finance charges, which is charges on unpaid dues. But basically, the card is free and is incredibly rewarding. If you pay dues in full and on time, yes, you can get the full value of this card. What are the pros and cons of using the Scapia credit card? First, the pros. As earlier mentioned, it is absolutely free for life. There's a zero forex markup, which is huge for international travelers or online shoppers that are using global platforms. Best-in-class rewards on travel and daily expenses. And also domestic lounge access with moderate monthly spending and a smooth digital experience from sign-up to redemption. In fact, super smooth. Are there no cons to using this card? Well, there are a few. The rewards are logged in the Scapia ecosystem, so you can redeem for cash or statement credits. And late fees and interest rates are similar to most traditional credit cards, so the late fees are high if you're not disciplined. And the card is only available to users without an existing Federal Bank credit card or loan. That limits eligibility. So here's a big question. Should you get the Federal Bank Scapia credit card in 2025? Well, if you travel frequently, you love digital experiences, and you want to maximize value without paying annual charges, then the answer is a clear yes. Of course, the card is not for everyone. If you need flexible reward redemption, or you want to earn cashback or rewards across a wider variety of merchants and categories, you may find the Scapia ecosystem a bit narrow. But for the right kind of user, especially young professionals and digital nomads who travel often and spend smartly, yes, this is easily one of the most value-packed cards in 2025. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Regalia First, Axis Bank Atlas Credit Card, and ICICI Make My Trip Signature. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.